A prayer for teachers. Father, we pray for all our teachers. Fill them with your strength. Fill them with your peace. We thank them for the way they give themselves each day, serving and guiding the next generation of this land. Bless their dreams and lives. Thank you, O Lord. Places in my neighborhood. Places in my neighborhood. Pinky and her family are shifted a new house. Both Pinky and Raju are very happy and excited looking at a new house. Pinky's father has posted a letter, so he decided to go a post office. Pinky also go along with him to the post office, and she wants to see nearby places. Soon, Pinky and her father reached to a post office. Post office is a place where one can send or receive letters and parcels. It has helped us to connect with people staying far off. Many other services like speed post, money order, banking, etc. are provided by a post office. Postman is a person who works in a post office. He collects and delivers letters and parcels. Some important places like which provided important like bank, hospital, municipal corporation, police station and school, etc. Let us study about in details. First one is bank is the institution we can deposit or withdraw our money. We can keep our valuable in the bank. Banks give interest on the money we deposit. Banks provide us loans to fulfill our needs. Hospital is another important place in my neighborhood. It is a place where the sick and injured are given medical treatment to get better. Doctors check the patient and give them proper medication for timely recovery. And also people go to the hospital for taking vaccination. Hospitals are generally found in cities and towns. Villages and remote areas have dispensary and healthcare centers where people are given treatment and medication for their sickness. Next is important place is a municipal corporation. Municipal corporation is responsible various services like roads, public transportation, good water supply, sanitation, etc. Like a municipal corporation, there is also a Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat looks after the welfare and development of the village. It is responsible providing various services like water supply, educational centers, healthcare centers, sanitations, etc. to the villagers. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch. The place where the Sarpanch and the members of the Gram Panchayat sit and work together is called Panchayat Ghar. Police station is another important place in my neighborhood. Here we can register complaints of theft, accident, kidnapping, etc. The police officers who work at a police station are responsible for maintaining law and order in the area. The various activities that a police officer performs are investigation crimes, protecting life and property, registering accident, etc. School is another important place in my neighborhood. It is a place where children learn to read and write. The principal is the head of the school, who takes important decisions regarding the working and development of school. The teachers teach the children to read and write. They try to build moral values in them. The helpers also play a very important role. They help in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in school. Chapter 10. Places in my neighborhood. Circle the correct options. Page 55. We can buy stamps from the dash. Post office. Yeah. Police station. Which is the correct answer? Post office. P-O-S-T post. O-F-F-I-C-E post office. Question number 2. We can call police by dialing number 100. 100. Next. Grocery shop gives atta or loan. Atta. A-T-T-A. Atta. Question number 4. The closed room outside the bank is the ATM counter. True or false? We go to a police station to play. हम लोगों को खेलने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? प्ले ग्राउंड, यानी कि पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं जाते, इसलिए फॉल्स है. अ डिस्पेंसरी इज अ स्मॉल क्लिनिक. यस, ये डिस्पेंसरी मैंने स्मॉल क्लिनिक होता है. यस, ट्रू. वी गो टू बैंक टू बाय स्टैम्प्स. फॉल्स. स्टैम्प्स खरीदने हम लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? पोस्ट ऑफिस. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज रॉन्ग. वी डायल 101 to call fire station. Yes, correct. It is a true statement. Learn it. Police station number 100. Fire station 101. Fire station we have to dial. Ambulance we have to call, then we have to dial 102. Circle the odd one out. Stamps, postcard, pencil, envelope. Stamps पोस्ट ऑफिस में मिलता है, पोस्ट कार्ड पोस्ट ऑफिस में, एनवलप भी पोस्ट ऑफिस में मिलता है, पेंसिल स्टेशनरी दुकान से. सो दिस इज आउट. ऑड वन आउट, तो हम लोग इसको अलग करेंगे. डॉक्टर, नर्स, एम्बुलेंस, ये हॉस्पिटल के रिलेटेड होता है, फायर स्टेशन के लिए. ठीक है. सो दिस इज फायर इज आउट. बैंक, लोन, एटीएम, बैंक रिलेटेड थिंग्स वर्ड्स है ये. ठीक है. शूज इज नॉट बैंक रिलेटेड वर्ड. आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस. नेम द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ शॉप्स इन द मार्केट. अलग अलग तरीके के शॉप्स बताना है. मिल्क बूथ, वी गेट मिल्क, बटर, एक्सेट्रा. केमिस्ट्री शॉप, वी गेट टैबलेट्स, टॉनिक, एक्सेट्रा. ग्रोसरी शॉप, वी गेट आटा, दाल, एक्सेट्रा. ग्रीन ग्रोसर शॉप, वी गेट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. सब्जी वाले की दुकान में हम लोगों को फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स मिलता है. किराने के शॉप में आटा, चावल, दाल, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. हाउ डज अ पोस्ट ऑफिस हेल्प अस. हम लोगों को पोस्ट ऑफिस कैसे हेल्प करता है? वी कैन सेंड लेटर्स, पार्सल्स एंड मनी ऑर्डर्स एट द पोस्ट ऑफिस. पोस्ट ऑफिस किस काम के लिए आता है? कैसे हेल्प करता है हम लोगों को? हम लोगों को लेटर्स मिलते हैं, पार्सल सेंड कर सकते हैं, मनी ऑर्डर सेंड कर सकते हैं पोस्ट ऑफिस से. ठीक है. Why do people need a bank? हम लोगों को बैंक क्यों चाहिए? People need a bank to keep their money safe. हमारा पैसे सेफ रखने के लिए हम लोगों को बैंक